Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I will tell you a story.
Prophet Yunus alayhi as-salam was sent by Allah to guide his people. But when they rejected him, he left in sadness and boarded a ship. Soon, a mighty storm shook the sea. The sailors, terrified, decided someone must be cast overboard. The lot fell upon Yunus alayhi as-salam and he was thrown into the raging waters. By Allah's command, a great whale swallowed him whole. He was safe, but trapped in complete darkness. The darkness of the night, the sea, and the whale's belly. For 40 days Yunus alayhi as-salam remained inside. He prayed with sincerity, saying, La ilaha illa anta, subhanaka, inni kuntu minaz zalimin. Translation: There is no God but you, glory be to you. Indeed, I was among the wrongdoers. Allah accepted his prayer and forgave him. The whale carried him gently until the sea became calm. At last, at sunrise, the whale released Yunus alayhi as-salam safely onto the shore. Weak but safe, he returned to his people with faith, and this time they believed in him. His story reminds us, never lose hope in Allah's mercy.
Thanks for watching friends. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.